Mr. Brown can moo. Can you? Oh, the wonderful sounds Mr. Brown can do. He can sound like a cow. He can go moo, moo.
Moo, moo.
He can sound like a bee. Mr. Brown can buzz.
Buzz.
How about you?
Like
Yeah. Can you go buzz, buzz?
buzz.
Good boy.
Buzz.
He can sound like a cork. Pop, pop, pop. He can sound like horse feet. Clop, clop, clop. Clop. He can sound like a rooster. Cock-a-doodle doo. He can sound like an owl. Woo, 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 woo. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? He can sound like the rain. Dibble, 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 dop. Dibble, 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 dop, dop, dop.
Dibble, 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 dop, dop.
He can sound like a clock. He can tick.
Tick tock.
He can talk.
Tick tock. Tick tock.
He can sound like a hand on a door. Knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom, boom.
Mr. Brown is a wonder.
Boom, boom, boom.
Mr. Brown makes thunder. He makes lightning. Splat, splat, splat.
Splat, splat, splat.
Ooh, ooh. And it's very, very hard to make a noise like that.
Papa.
Yeah, Mr. Brown can
Papa, Emma.
whisper,
My
whisper.
papa.
I see.
Whisper.
Whisper.
Can you whisper?
Very soft, very high. Like the
Very
soft,
high.
soft, I see. Like the soft, soft whisper of a butterfly. Maybe you can too. I think you ought to try. Oh, the wonderful sounds Mr. Brown can do. Why don't you try to do them too? Turn the page and let's review. Moo, moo. Buzz, buzz.
Buzz, buzz.
Pop, pop.
Pop, pop.
Clop.
No.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Woo, woo, woo. Dibble, dibble, dop.
Tippy tap.
Tick-tock.
Tick tock.
Knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
Boom, boom.
Boom, boom.
Splat. Last a whisper, whisper.
No.
And that is that.